Want to nail the Highlight Correct Summary task and boost your PTE score? Stay with me till the end to uncover simple but effective strategies. The Highlight Correct Summary task is often seen as tricky, but trust me, with the right approach, it can be your easiest scoring section. Tip 1. Skim, don't read. When the audio starts playing, don't stress about catching every single word. Instead, focus on understanding the general topic and the key points. Your goal is to capture the main idea, not every detail. This will help you pick out the correct summary faster. Tip 2. Eliminate distractors. This is where strategy comes in. You'll usually find one or two options that are close, but not quite right. Look for options that either exaggerate information or include extra details not mentioned in the audio. These are distractors and need to go. The best way to handle them is to think about what the audio is really emphasizing. Tip 3. Listen for key words. While listening, pay attention to keywords or phrases that might match the summaries. Words like however, firstly, or any dates and statistics are great signposts. If a summary doesn't include these hints or strays from them, it's probably wrong. Tip 4. Match tone and meaning. Sometimes the trick lies in the tone. If the audio is neutral, your correct summary shouldn't have an extreme or opinionated tone. Stay focused on the overall meaning and vibe of the audio. Consistency is key here. If the passage seems informative, make sure the summary reflects that and doesn't turn into an opinion piece. Tip 5. Cross-check information. Always cross-check the major points from the audio with the summary options. This can help you spot summaries that might sound right but actually have extra misleading information. For example, if the audio talks about two main ideas, but one summary introduces a third idea, that's a red flag. Tip 6. Manage your time. You don't have much time to make a decision, so don't overthink it. If you're torn between two summaries, pick the one that sticks closest to the main points and has no extra or misleading details. Always trust the flow of information you gathered in the audio. By following these simple strategies, you can maximize your score on the Highlight Correct Summary task and build confidence for the rest of your PTE exam. Remember, it's all about practice and staying calm. Subscribe for the latest updates and more PTE strategies.